Hey! Today, something absolutely crazy is going to happen. Something that I've never done before in my life. Something that is so wild that I never even thought that was gonna happen. And that is, I'm gonna let a professional bleach my hair. I literally don't think I've ever let a professional bleach my hair. I've just been doing it myself my entire life, which you can probably kind of tell. I don't know if it's obvious or not. So yeah, my roots are kind of out of control at this point, and I thought, why not just let someone else fix them this time? Because I can't be bothered. I mean, that's not completely true, because I do really love bleaching my hair. Always makes me very excited. But yeah, my roots they're pretty intense. Like, I think like at least 5 centimeters. I think this is like 3 months of hair growth. 3? 4? I don't know. It's been a while, let's just say it like that. And yeah, when it gets this long, it is kind of annoying, and you have to do it like in 2 steps, and I don't know. I mean, I just thought it would probably be smart that for once in my life I let a professional do it. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm scared. I'm really scared. The first thing I need to do though is I actually have to find a hair salon. So let me just go on the internet right now, see if there are any good hair salons in the neighborhood, and then go there and get my hair fixed. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Hey everybody, we're on our way to the hair salon. Honestly, I was kind of freaking out at this point, but the hair salon was so nice, and the aircon felt so amazing on my boiling hot skin that it calmed me down. Before they started bleaching, they actually did like, not like a consultation with me, but a consultation with the colleagues, because apparently my hair was like really fucked. Not only did I have like super long roots, but also some of the hair was like dyed with permanent hair dye and some of it wasn't. So yeah, they were like discussing how the hell they were gonna approach all of this, but I'm pretty sure they just decided to go ahead and start. They started with the ends of my roots first, because you know they're so long, you have to do the ends first and then let that, you know, simmer for a bit, and then after you can go back to like the scalp area, like the actual roots, because that process faster. And yeah, at one point they were working on my hair with like 4 people in total, which was, honestly, it made me feel VIP. I actually liked it. Also, I don't know where there's a banana leaf in my hair. I didn't even notice it when I was at the hair salon. And then after, honestly, I think like 2.5, maybe even 3 hours of bleaching my roots, it was finally time to rinse it off. Also, the bleach didn't hurt my scalp at all, and they were like super impressed with the strength of my scalp. They kept asking me if it hurt, but I didn't feel a thing. And then I got like the nicest blowout ever in my life. Oh my god, amazing. Look at that. Hey! My hair is blonde. Look at it. Look at it. I just came back from the hairdresser, and look, it's crazy how much of a difference it makes when my roots are bleached. Look at it. It's so pretty and so white. I had a completely different person, and I love it. Oh my god. They styled it kind of weird though. Like my bangs, I don't know, it's young on. It looks, I don't know what they did to it. They look so weird. Anyways, yeah, I went to the hairdresser to get my roots bleached for the very first time in my life. And honestly, it was pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. But it took like a long time though. Like it took like, honestly, I think I was there for almost 4 hours, which is insane. Because when I bleach my hair, I know I'm not doing it in the professional way, obviously, because I'm an idiot, we know. But if I bleach my hair, I'm like done within 2 hours, and that includes like waiting time, like processing time. So I do definitely prefer when it's like doesn't take as long, but it was not. I did feel very pampered. It was nice that other people were doing my hair and I could just sit back and relax. At one point, there were like 4 people working on my hair at the same time. 4 people. That's crazy, because I just do it by myself on my bedroom floor. But yeah, overall nice experience. It looks super nice and white. Look how light it is. Oh, it's like almost pure white. Look at that, that's crazy. Yeah, sadly the front, like this is definitely more yellow than the rest, because they did this last, which is kind of sad, but like, yeah, look at it, that's crazy. Also, I might not have a lot of footage of me in the hair salon, because I'm so weird about filming in public, like I cannot do it. It freaks me out. So yeah, overall I would rate this experience I think like a solid 8 out of 10. Luckily it wasn't like that expensive. I mean, I still paid a lot of money. I think I paid like 60 euros, which is definitely a lot, because that's more than what I paid for my bleach, like all my bleach that I use for like a year. So that is definitely more expensive, but I feel like in the Netherlands it will be like double that. So it's fine. It's fine. Will I get my hair done by a professional again? Maybe. But honestly, I just like doing it myself way better. I just like it so much. I really love messing with my hair, which you guys already know, because that's basically the only thing I do. But it's just, I just love it. Don't think I'll be going to a hairdresser again. Soon. Anytime soon. Maybe in the future. We'll see. Anyways, this was today's video. I hope you guys are proud of me for finally going to a professional. And I hope you like the end result. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep my hair like this, by the way. This is just temporary, because I'll be dyeing it a different color tomorrow. Because guess what? I finally found semi-permanent hair dye. So it's gonna be fun. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.